इट्स व्हेरी सॅड की भुरग्यान सुसायड केली आनी त्या सुसायडाचो रिजन एकूच आसा. इट्स बिकॉज ही कुड नॉट हिज पेरंट्स कुड नॉट अफोर्ड अ स्मार्ट फोन एंड ही कुड नॉट गेट एज्युकेटेड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही पॉझिटिवली आमी पळोवपाक गेल्यार स्टुडंट्स एंड द यूथ वॉन्ट टू स्टडी टुडे. And to study, they have to study at home right now because this is a pandemic situation and the classes now. So at such a situation, they have to study at home. To study at home, everyone needs a smartphone and they need network. So what the reality is that today education has become the luxury only of the privileged people. In villages, across villages, there is no network. The reality is that there is no network, and today there are various people. There are lots of people who cannot afford a smartphone, and smartphone is a necessity today. And in the same regarding, the student from Parvarim committed suicide, and we are very sad that such a situation has been created by the government, and this is a direct blame to the government, to the education department and to the Goa board, because you had to come up with a solution and you had to address this issue before a student could get into depression and commit suicide. This is the same thing that they are doing, and they are not addressing students. So as NSUI, we have held a national campaign which is Speak Up for Students, which is being trending across India on the number 2 position, and we will fight for the students until and unless we get justice. We are meeting the DGP. We have written a letter to the DGP, the SP, because this is nothing but an abetment to suicide. We believe that there has to be an investigation, because this is an abetment to suicide under the section 306 of the Indian Penal Code, and this is a direct charge to the Director of Education.
Student wanted to learn, wanted to study. His parents were unfortunate enough to provide him with what it is. The Cyber Aid scheme, when it was not necessary, students got tabs, laptops. Where are you today in a pandemic situation where there are students that want to learn? You all don't want to mass promote students. You all want them to go get coronavirus affected and all of that, answer exams and all. Where are you now? Why are you not taking the right decisions for the students? What do you want to do? You want to increase more cases? Do you want to kill the future? Do you want to kill the youth? That is what you want to do. We protested here, right here, for the 10th standard examination. Still they said that it was a foreign, only people from outside have the virus. Students got infected even after that. Now in a pandemic situation where you need to provide the students with internet, if you all are having online classes with a laptop, a tab, whatever, where is the government now? Again, he committed suicide because of mental health, which is not addressed. What are you all educating the students about? About how Savarkar did something? You should educate them on mental health. This is important. We cannot afford to lose more students. Please come up with a solution immediately. Immediately you all have to come up with a solution. The Director of Education, you are responsible for this, and there should be an investigation on this issue.